Best things to do in San Francisco. Travel guide. San Francisco has some hidden gems that will blow your mind, and I'm about to share the top spots you can't miss in. Did you know that San Francisco is home to over 50 hills? That's right. This city is not just famous for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, but also for its breathtaking views from these steep hills, often shrouded in a mystical fog. Stick around because today we're diving into the best things to do in San Francisco. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're planning a trip to San Francisco, you're in luck. This video is your ultimate travel guide for 2024, showcasing all the must-see attractions and hidden gems in this vibrant city. So, grab your backpacks and let's get started. Now, here's the thing: San Francisco is packed with amazing sights and experiences, and with so much to choose from, it can be a bit overwhelming to plan your itinerary. Should you visit the historic Alcatraz Island first or take a stroll along Fisherman's Wharf? And what about the famous Painted Ladies? You might find yourself wondering where to even start. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll break down the best spots to ensure you make the most of your trip. Let's kick things off with one of the most iconic landmarks, the Golden Gate Bridge. It's not just a bridge, it's a symbol of San Francisco. Make sure to walk or bike across to enjoy stunning views of the bay, and don't forget to snap some photos. Next up, we have Alcatraz Island. This former prison offers fascinating tours where you can learn about notorious inmates like Al Capone and take in the stunning views of the city skyline. It's best to book your tickets in advance since they can sell out quickly. Now, if you're looking for some seafood and entertainment, Fisherman's Wharf is the place to be. Indulge in clam chowder served in a sourdough bread bowl while watching sea lions basking in the sun at Pier 39. And for a taste of local culture, head to the Mission District to check out the vibrant murals and grab some delicious burritos. Each of these spots has its own unique vibe, so make sure to take your time exploring. But here's a little insider tip that really sets San Francisco apart: the secret viewpoint at Twin Peaks. This spot might not be on every tourist's radar, but trust me, it's worth the hike. Head up there just before sunset for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. You'll see the skyline, the bay, and if you're lucky, that iconic fog rolling in. It's the perfect place to capture that unforgettable San Francisco moment and escape the crowds for a bit. Exploring the city. Erster Golden Gate Bridge. No trip to San Francisco is complete without visiting the Golden Gate Bridge. This architectural marvel, with its Art Deco design and stunning views of the bay, is a photographer's dream. Take a stroll across the bridge or head to the Golden Gate Park to capture the perfect shot. Zweiter Alcatraz Island. Explore the infamous Alcatraz Island, once home to America's most notorious criminals. A short ferry ride from the city, this former prison is now a fascinating museum. Guided tours offer an insight into the island's history and its most infamous inmates. 3. Fisherman's Wharf. Head to Fisherman's Wharf to enjoy fresh seafood and watch the sea lions basking in the sun. From here, you can catch a ferry to Sausalito, a charming seaside town with galleries, cafes, and stunning views back across the bay to San Francisco. Viertes Chinatown. San Francisco's Chinatown is the oldest in North America and a bustling hub of activity. Explore the colorful streets, shop for unique souvenirs, and enjoy authentic Chinese cuisine. 5. Lombard Street. Don't miss the chance to drive or walk down Lombard Street, known as the crookedest street in the world. Its steep, winding turns are bordered by beautifully manicured gardens, making it a popular spot for tourists. Tips for travelers. Public transportation. The city's public transportation system, including the famous cable cars, is an easy and efficient way to get around. Consider purchasing a Muni Pass for unlimited rides. Weather. San Francisco's weather can be unpredictable. Layers are your friend. Be prepared for chilly mornings, sunny afternoons, and cool evenings. Dining. From street food to Michelin-starred restaurants, San Francisco's dining scene is diverse and delicious. Don't leave without trying a sourdough bread bowl filled with clam chowder. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite things to do in San Francisco? Drop a comment below and let's share some travel stories. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides and adventures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.